Hi, I'm here to show you how to set up an account on Amfex. Before we get started, please visit amfex.com and click Start Investing. Firstly, you will need to create an Amfex wallet. Please choose your preferred wallet name and password. Before we get started, please make sure to visit amfex.com and click Start Investing. Firstly, you will need to open an Amfex wallet. Please enter your preferred wallet name and password. Now, you will be shown your personal seed keys. What are seed keys? Seed keys are a set of 12 words used not only to protect your account, but also to recover it if something were to happen. Without these keys, you will be locked out of your account. No one wants that. So, for that very reason, it is advised to write your seed keys down and keep them safe so that you will not lose them. Please keep your seed keys safe, as they are more important than your passwords. Once you have copied your seed keys, you will be asked to verify them on the next page. Now that you are in your Amfex account, you will need to transfer your Bitcoins from another existing wallet or exchange of your choice. If you don't have any Bitcoin, you can message the live chat at amfex.com and our team will suggest the best place to purchase it depending on your country. After transferring your Bitcoin to your Amfex wallet, the balance on the top right corner should reflect the amount that you have transferred. Once the balance is visible, navigate to the Amfex Fund tab on the left. On the Amfex Fund page, you will notice the Investment Confirmation button. At this stage, you'll need to confirm your investment using your password. You will be given confirmation and presented with a green check and a transaction ID to track your funds across the blockchain. Your Bitcoin will leave your Amfex wallet to be deposited into the Amfex Fund. This may take up to 24 hours to be visible in your account. Now, there you have it. You have successfully invested in the Amfex Fund and we're happy to have you here. If you have any questions, please contact the 24/7 live chat on the homepage. Amfex, Fund of Funds.